What's up, guys? Here's the short update on the price of Bitcoin. I've been absent for a while, but in fact that was kind of a period in the market where nothing really happened. We were in the consolidation period for a while. There is a support / resistance level around $12,100 and $12,000. It was before the resistance. It was almost resistance at this area as well. And after we tested it here, it had this pullback, then we tested again, another pullback, and finally broke it to the downside. That was the area of the interest for the price. I mentioned $110,000 as the like a level where we can expect the price to stop at some point, like 106, 107,000 as well for the false breakout. And indeed, that is exactly what happened. So we kind of continuing to fulfill this N-shape pattern right now, and I think it's a pretty good chance that at the moment we are about to break this resistance, because this higher highs, higher lows, we can constantly testing this $113,000 resistance several times. So probably form something like an ascending triangle here. Also, it could be a potential like complex reverse and inverse head and shoulders with maybe more shoulders here, but eventually in any case that would be heading north, right? And then from there I would expect it to be testing this level again, maybe to find support, and then from there continuing to consolidate within the region between $112,000 and maybe $120,000. But then after this consolidation, we probably will try to test this level many times and then finally break it. But I'm not sure how soon. I expected it would much sooner actually, but market was kind of slow. Of course, this is all related with price action on higher liquidity market like S&P 500. We're also about to break this highs again, making new all-time high pretty much every week or something like that. We do this, maybe not every week, but very often and very frequently. And Ether also is breaking the descending wedge here. We have the channel. Also, the bottom area of the channel, the support zone, was broken a little bit with a false breakout with a stick and lower shadow of this candle. So we probably will test the resistance here and then maybe test it several times, break, and our goal of $5,000 for Ether is very close. So probably this is the consolidation that we need after the multiple growths which we had so far. And yeah, it just shows that the growth is kind of a wide across the whole market, meaning that we probably having much more like a reliable trend here. That's my stance. And yeah, I think that whenever we have the relatively reasonable decline now, we have the like nice stop level for any trade. So whenever we have a chance, we can use that. And yeah, that's all pretty good. All goes according to the plan. So I hope that you guys made some nice trades here, and eventually it will lead to relatively good profits. Interesting time for sure. The end of the year will be hot, I assume. That is pretty much it for today from me, guys. Let me know in the comments or Telegram if you have any questions and so on. I will probably keep you updated next week, unless there's something extremely interesting happens. Then I will of course make another short video. That is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.